In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create a full custom team in EFC26. There are two main ways you can go about it. The first method is through the create a player option in the creation zone. Here you can design as many players as you like. There doesn't really seem to be a hard cap, so you could keep going until you have built an entire squad. Once they are created, you can go into edit teams, then club transfers, assign them to a team and move forward from there. Now the second method is a bit easier. If you don't want to spend too much time on the detailed creation side, go into manager career mode, start a new manager career and then choose fresh season, use current squads and create a new manager career. Then you can customize the manager like you want. After that, select create your club and choose the name. Next, go through the setup process, pick your league, choose your starting point and adjust the settings. It's often a good idea to begin in League 2 if you are playing in England, since that gives you a full promotion path all the way to the top division. You can even customize the kits such as changing colors and style. Once your club is created, you'll get a full squad of players by default. From here, you can start editing. Select a player, for example your goalkeeper, press the edit button and you'll be able to change their name, age, kit number, position, build, attributes and even animations. The only part you can't fully change here is their face. If faces are important to you, then you wanna go back to the creation zone and build players individually. But if you just care about the admin side, such as names and stats, then editing directly in manager career is much quicker. Finally, if you want a completely custom squad, you can also release all of the default players into free agency and replace them with your created ones. That way you'll end up with a full custom team ready to play. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.